this is the final question. Is as for me, I said, is the prohibition of insulation based on that it may produce cooking? Because if we close the cooking pot on Shabbos when reheating the food, it will be producing an insulation.
No. You mean if you just put the lid on top?
Yeah.
No, it's going to contain the heat, but it for sure is going to cool down gradually. But of course, it's not as fast if you would do without it. But it's going to cool down for sure. The installation that is forbidden, for example, on Shabbos, if you do it from all of the sides, if you leave the top open, there is no problem. Or it would be forbidden, or from one side you would leave open, or you would use some heat intense materials. So what is heat intense materials? I think wool is one of them. Maybe sand or something like that. It absorbs the heat from somewhere, and it's gives even more heat back. That's for sure. It is forbidden. But others, you just preserve the heat. Still, it's going to cool down, but not as fast. Okay.
So is it based on that it can produce cooking?
It cannot produce cooking. I mean, to produce cooking, it must be Yatzalad's boy. It must be like a constant, strong source of heat, fuel. It's not even this sand or whatever we said, special wool, raw wool. I think that's work. I don't remember exactly what is else, but still, it's not going to produce that much heat. But a little more heat than it was before, and that's a little bit of a problem.
Thank you very
You're
much.
welcome.